Today, let's learn some English idioms on shopping and money with their meanings and easy sentence examples. So, let's get started. Shopping can burn a hole in your pocket. This means spending a lot of money. For example, buying that designer bag burnt a hole in my pocket. When you say something costs an arm and a leg, it means it's very expensive. Imagine buying that luxury car, it costs an arm and a leg. If you're going on a shoestring budget, you're spending very little money. For instance, during my college days, I traveled on a shoestring budget. To save for a rainy day means setting money aside for future emergencies. I always save some cash for a rainy day, just in case. When the idiom buy something for a song is used, it means buying it cheaply. I got this vintage lamp for a song at the flea market. If you say someone is penny pinching, they are unwilling to spend money. My uncle is so penny pinching, he never eats out. Breaking the bank suggests spending all your money. That luxury cruise could easily break the bank if you're not careful. A dime a dozen means something is very common and cheap. Plastic toys are a dime a dozen at that store. If someone is rolling in dough, they are very rich. Ever since his business took off, he's been rolling in dough. When you hear the phrase, money doesn't grow on trees, it means money is limited. My parents always reminded me that money doesn't grow on trees. To foot the bill means to pay for something. I'll foot the bill for dinner tonight, so don't worry about it. The idiom, make a killing, means to earn a lot of money quickly. She made a killing on the stock market last year. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more language tips and tricks. See you in the next video.